Hello and welcome to Buke's DIYs. In order to stay up to date with all my DIYs, please go back and hit the subscribe button at the end of the video. If it's helpful for you, please hit the like button, share, like, comment, and again, subscribe. Okay, today what we're going to do is reset the oil service maintenance light on a 2013 BMW 328Xi. Okay, now this is how you reset the engine oil light. Basically, we went and got the oil changed on the vehicle. Service center couldn't reset the light, but this is how we found out how to do it on our own, and this is how you can do it yourself. First thing you need to do is find the trip reset button, which is here in your instrument panel on the left hand side on the bottom. Okay. Next, what we'll do is depress the trip button for roughly about 10 seconds. Okay, and this is what you'll get. Next, we'll give it a quick press again. Let it go. Okay, you see it turn to reset with the question mark. Hit it again. Let it go. Okay, next we'll go back to our onboard computer. The appropriate button. Now we see our engine oil has been reset, so that warning light is now off and it's okay. It reset us for 12,000 miles before the next change, and as you see it says January 2020. That would automatically change as you run up the miles. The more miles you run, get closer to the 12,000, the date would change automatically before the service light comes on for you. All right, join us later as we do our vehicle check, which we know it's time to change our spark plugs. So we'll get that done and then reset that light and also change the brake fluid. All right, do a flush on the whole thing and then change that light. Thanks again for watching Buke's World.